ONS and UMAC are my drone plays. And so half the time I think about selling UMAC because I have like over 100% gain on it. But then you have, dude, my AXTI up over 733%. This, and I don't think AXTI is going to stop. If you look at one like COHR and COHR, their earnings, dude, and they are get around the AXTI bottleneck, but bottleneck it still is. They need these IMP wafers, and then that one is the IQ EPF too, but that one's quite a risk. But they doubled. So see, Poet LWLG and ALAB and ALMU, I'm trying to figure out ones, because see, I guess I mean they're gonna need the IMP wafers for a long time. And then there's going to be so many data centers these fucks are building. And if you think about it, who is the people that have money in the world? The most money? The tech lords. And the tech lords, their vision is these data centers. They want them more than anything. They're holy grail. So they're going to be paying for things that go in the data centers. Copper. Fucking copper. Poet kind of answers the copper crisis, but not, they're still going to need copper. And then that little fuck VLN. I'm looking at this. I'm going to make a long video on tech hardware because I've been trying to learn a lot about tech hardware. There's good counts on there. This guy, Vince Stockinger, that Crooks Capital, lots of tech hardware stuff. Serenity person has a lot of tech hardware stuff. And this tech hardware, it's not stopping, people. It's not stopping. And that's why I don't know. But then also drones don't stop either. But I just think the money is in tech hardware, and then copper. And then uranium down the line. I mean, uranium we can get in as uranium goes up and down. They don't have everything full force. And then energy, XLU, that ETF, I think we're at that. And then, I mean, you also have your gold and your silver, your fucking tungsten, that's ALM. And then UAMI did really well. UAMI has shit they need too. Just the things we really need to focus. What do the tech lords need? They need materials and tech hardware for their stuff, for their holy grails. And then the drones, they do benefit from the drones. They benefit from the drones because we know that people are persnickety and they have to get stuff out of areas that have conflicts. So that is something. And that's also the eVTOLs. The eVTOLs are going to be very helpful in the mining sector. And that's why I do believe eVTOLs, they are not necessary. The tech lords want them. That's a tech lord want. Because you know these motherfuckers are going to be in eVTOLs. They're all going to get eVTOLs. They already have helicopters. Helicopters suck. Helicrashers. No one wants to be in a helicopter. So, but I would classify eVTOLs and somewhat drones as a tech lord want as opposed to a need. You see what I'm saying? They need copper. They need these, well, they don't need, well, yeah, they need the photonics. They need GCTS to connect their satellites to stuff on the ground, GCTS. So anyways, that drones, I classify a tech lord want. They want to incinerate us, but they don't need to incinerate us.